Hello, good morning. We are going. We're walking.
That's right.
We're going to have breakfast at this Spanish place, right?
Yeah, supposedly. He
Okay.
said it's good.
Okay, so you go. You ready?
We're gonna find out.
Okay, we're gonna find out. So this is where we are coming for our breakfast. Some people say it's ratchet. Whatever.
Whatever.
Who cares? You care if it's ratchet?
You know.
You care? So we go see.
No.
You never been here to eat? Never?
Nope.
So this your first time?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, come right in. And there's nobody here. Ta-da! Good morning. Hello. Hi. So this is what I normally get. I get this. And then I guess we can mix stuff. I don't know what you want. Okay, so we're out in the gas station. Will you shut up? What is wrong with you? We're out in the gas station. People are around us trying to do stuff. We out here sitting down. So what you got? You got eggs with rice and beans and fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Me and my big old eyes. I got plantain, eggs. This is fried pork, tamale. This chicken tamale and fried cow tongue.
Fried cow tongue. Oh man. Fried cow tongue.
It's so tender and juicy.
They probably getting here early.
Wow, and seasoned nicely. Tamale. And the eggs.
The eggs are not bad.
Good.
They're not bad.
What do you think about yours?
So far, the eggs are pretty good.
You like the eggs? What about the rice and beans?
Check them out right now. They're not bad.
Okay.
So I'm happy.
And chicken is chicken.
Chicken
You can't
is
go wrong with
chicken.
chicken.
Yeah, chicken is chicken.
Well, no, you can go wrong if you don't season it well. So, is this a hit or a miss?
This is a hit.
It's a hit, even though it's a gas station.
Yeah, at a gas station.
At a gas station, we're sitting out here like we are Prince and Monaco. Prince of Monaco.